In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Karrot works. Explained simply, Karrot is a unique platform that facilitates buying, selling, and even giving away items within your local community. It's a user-friendly app designed to help you find what you need and perhaps even rehome items you no longer use, all within your neighborhood. The first step to getting started is downloading the app. Karrot is available on both the Google Play Store for Android users and the Apple App Store for those using iOS devices. By installing the app, you're opening up a world of local transactions right at your fingertips. It's quick to install, and once it's downloaded, you're well on your way to engaging with your community in a new and resourceful way. Once you have the app on your device, the next step is to set your neighborhood. This is a crucial step as it tailors your experience to your geographic location, allowing you to see posts from people nearby. Simply enter your location, and Karrot will show you what's available within a determined radius of where you live. This localized approach not only makes it easier to pick up items, but also supports environmentally friendly practices by reducing the need for long-distance travel. Now, with Karrot set up for your specific area, it's time to explore the main functionality: browsing or posting items. You're free to look through various items people have listed for sale or available for free. Whether you're in search of furniture, books, clothes, or gadgets, chances are you'll find something that catches your eye. If you've got items you're ready to part with, you can very easily list them on Karrot. The app makes it straightforward to post your items, complete with descriptions and photos, ensuring that potential buyers or receivers have all the information they need. Communication is a key element of any transaction, and Karrot makes this safe and simple with its in-app chat feature. This feature allows you to directly connect and converse with other users, whether you're buying or selling. It keeps your personal details private while facilitating clear and effective communication. This way, you can negotiate prices, inquire about item conditions, and arrange pickup details, all without needing to exchange phone numbers or emails. Finally, the culmination of using Karrot is meeting up to complete the exchange. Whether you're picking up your newly purchased items or delivering something you've sold, you arrange a meeting point with the other party that's convenient for both of you. Always remember to arrange your meetups in safe and public spaces to ensure a secure transaction experience. And there you have it, a straightforward explanation of how Karrot works. By following these steps, you'll be engaging with your community, promoting sustainable practices, and enjoying the convenience of a localized marketplace. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of the Karrot app.